All right, so we found the solution to that thing we were stuck on for like 5 minutes. And we need to set the height of the section. And so what we had before this was like this. Oops. Making sure I'm still recording. What we had before was like this. I'm like, why is that not stretching out? Because we have nav, and we're telling nav to be a height of 100%, and it's in a section, and the section is getting stretched up by main is stretching that up to 90 VH. Y is, since section is being stretched up by main, Y is nav not filling into all of the section. And when I do section height 90 VH also, then it fills in. So this is what our desktop looks like. This is what our mobile looks like, right? URL links down there, and then over here. So it's pretty good. And then just to polish that out a little bit more, we'd want that up at the top. And so that's the UL, and that UL is inside of nav. And so the nav is the flex container. And so we're going to change the flex containers to be justify content. It's column now, isn't it? What's the nav's flex container? Nav is display flex, and it's flex direction row. We're going to change it to flex direction. Well, we can leave it flex direction row, and then what operates on the cross axes is align items. All right, see ya. Thank you. There's align flex start, so that brought it up to the top. But that's like a really nifty-difty, like, okay, our code is pretty lean, pretty clean. We understand these concepts, and we're able to use media queries, and there's what we look like on mobile, and here's what we look like on desktop. And then the last thing to finish that out is just on main is background image. Background cover. Background position is center. Background size is cover. Background image repeat is no repeat. Right, and then since we put and I'm going to get rid of that border now. Get rid of that green border too. And we got some little red piece. Oh, because we're overflowing. We can't hold our image. Background cover. What's overflow? Center cover. Why are we getting overflow? I don't know. Nuances, man. Oh, cool. All right, so that's totally even getting bugged by that image now. All right, we're not going to troubleshoot that right now. It's good enough for now. Just wonder if there's anything left to show on this. I would probably do on this one, on the LIs, border, bottom, 1 pick solid gray. And then LI last item, last child, border, bottom, 1 pick solid black. And let's take the border off of the page. Well, that's better. The picture doesn't look like it's overflowy. And take that border off. And we could do border top on the LI. And then this one. Almost looks red from a distance. It's my eye. White and gray, that combination. I'd probably change those. So I'd do this. I do this white, and I do this one black, and I do this one 2 pixels. Oh, I want this one border bottom to be white. I want that one to be black, and then this one will be black, 2 pixels. That just looks wonky. I don't know. Fix that. You guys seem to have had enough. All right. Let's call it a wrap. Stop the cord.